In the last 12 months, the Influencer Project LinkedIn strategy has helped leading coaches and consultants tap into the professional power of LinkedIn to reliably generate a steady flow of leads and actual new cash collected business within 90 days.
My ability to connect with people online via LinkedIn and using the Influencer Project strategies is it's been a game changer.
Within the first 3 weeks, I hit 10 leads, which is about 50K in opportunity, and 15K in sales.
The return on investment was easily a 10x.
I guess I'm having more conversations the last couple of months than I've actually had over the year. It's really fast tracking a lot of what I'm doing.
I've started a lot of conversations with people via LinkedIn in that short period between Christmas and New Year's Eve.
The problem right now is that chasing work is hard. Waiting for referrals is risky, and if you're selling your advice and expertise for a living, then it's time to think differently and take control inside a platform that is often overlooked, misunderstood, but highly profitable. We've got hundreds of success stories, client results, and case studies to back up our proven strategies.
61,000 direct result. Now, through that indirect result, that means like my activities on LinkedIn, connecting with people that led to business. That's another 3 deals that were 33,000, 36,000, and 41. So that brings a total to $171,000 from your program.
$60 million worth of business. I think it was 60, which to me equates to around about $350,000 worth of income.
You're breaking new ground in the way you support people. So really thankful to you all.
So let us show you how to find more of your perfect future customer, consistently generate high value opportunities, and get you off the cash flow roller coaster. There's a better way. In this virtual workshop, we're lifting the veil on how we're able to help our members win more business in the social economy by implementing the 4 fixes into their LinkedIn strategy. You'll discover Fix 1, how to build your LinkedIn lead funnel to simplify your community and multiply your opportunity. Fix number 2, the Accelerated Transition Framework, a simple way to transition connections into conversations. Fix number 3, the Sell by Screen system, the technology we use to convert more clients online faster. Fix number 4, the Profitable Opportunity Pipeline, the blueprint to monetizing your LinkedIn strategy sooner. You'll take away implementable strategies that will have you identify exactly where your next leads will come from. So you'll be able to plan for the next quarter and the next year and hit your new growth targets. In a lot of cases, attendees actually leave generating 2 to 3 new clients within 90 days from what they learn. It's that good.
The results that we've been able to get after being inside the inner sanctum of the Influencer Project, I guess, we would be at about $500,000.
I'd say we're achieving a return of close to 10 times our investment.
We did 21 days, we've got 150 leads in those 21 days. That's $33,000, and just yesterday they've come back to us even more desperate for our assistance, and we put in another 6K proposal.
Our sales inquiries have doubled from what they are each month.
So secure your seat now, as tickets are strictly limited to 100 and always fill up fast. Opportunities are waiting for you. So get the edge on your competition and turn LinkedIn into a highly profitable business development tool today. Register your spot now.